Hey, what's up, guys? This is our new video episode from our YouTube channel, and this is challenge for our mask bro. You have two choices. You have to make chicken curry with noodles, and if you select that one, if you select the other one, you have to get the chicken curry and noodles from the restaurant. Let's we do. Hey, mask bro, guys, let's go. How are you, bro? We have two challenges. These are two choices. If you select left side one or right side one, there are two choices. One is you have to get chicken curry and noodles from the restaurant. I will give you money. If you select other one, you have to make the chicken curry and noodles. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready for this challenge? Huh, bro? Okay, let's select. Oh my God, master, bro, select the left and right. You have to make the chicken curry and noodles, bro. Are you ready? Oh my God, are you ready?
This is Mukbang challenge. Now we are going to make chicken with noodles. Okay, let's
make chicken noodles.
Challenge is on mood.